I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action Keap. Give here the client ID and the client secret. To make this integration you should need Keap CRM and Keap developer accounts both. So please visit the Keap client ID and the client secret. This is my Keap developer site. New app. Give here a meaningful integration app name. Enable. Save. Show secret. Copy the secret key and API key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Give access to your Keap CRM account and allow it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Keap CRM site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Keap CRM site. Thanks for watching.